cheekbone lifter and glow booster. Look at the glow. This is what is creating this. Right, I'm going to show you how it's done. Back of hand, Cosmic Glow Radiance Booster. Tap on.
Yeah.
Tops of cheekbones. This is literally what we've done. Put it over the top, down the nose. I mean, I've already got it on, but I want you to see. Look.
And it's so easy as well.
So easy. Eyelids, glowy.
Honestly, I love it so much.
Look, it's like I've just got a, it's like, I mean, I know I am a makeup artist, but it's like I've just had J-Lo's makeup artist do my makeup.
Well, I'm not a makeup artist. I think I've done a pretty good job.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, please. It's like I've turned back time.
Oh, I have been developing this. This is Cosmic Glow Radiant Skin Booster. Makes your skin look like you've had the most expensive facial. This is giving Hollywood J-Lo glowy vibes.
100%. Yeah.
And all we've used is this.
It's cheekbones
Look,
I never
look
knew I
at
had.
this cheekbone. Look.
I'm too busy looking at my own cheekbones.
Oh. This is makeup meets skincare. This is something you can wear on no makeup days. This is something you can wear over your makeup.
This is something you can't live without.
Yeah. And the best thing is, this contains hyaluronic acid, adding hydration, niacinamide, helps take down redness, peptides to help treat fine lines and wrinkles and make your, it not only looks bouncy on skin, but it feels bouncy.
It feels amazing.
This is my best mate, Katie.
Hi.
I'm a makeup artist. I've been a makeup artist for nearly 25 years.
And I like clinging on to a makeup artist that can help me get this glow.
Is this the reason you're my best mate?
Yes, it is.
We don't know. But for 25 years, I have used, I've had the pleasure of using hundreds and hundreds of products from hundreds of brands. And I've had the pleasure of getting to know what makes a great product.
Yeah. Yeah, what women want, essentially.
What women want. But for the first time ever, you asked me to make a product, didn't you?
I did, yes.
Katie said, what did you say to me,
Well,
Katie?
basically, I asked for everything. I want something that takes down redness. I want
Yeah.
something that's going to hydrate my skin and make
Yeah.
it bouncy. I want something that's going to help my makeup go on better and
Yeah.
just give me an overall more youthful, bouncy look.
Now, how many years ago did you ask me to make you this product that did all that?
Well, ages ago. No, it was about 4 years ago.
Yeah. So Katie sent me the challenge about 3 years ago. Well, it wasn't really a challenge. It was like, I wish you made products. And you were like, I want all of what you've just said.
Yeah, and I think most women do.
Oh,
My
yeah.
friends do, I know that.
And certainly as a makeup artist, when someone sits in the makeup chair, they will say to me, I just want you to make me look like I've had the best beauty sleep and glowy skin.
Yeah.
And help my makeup just look amazing. But also, if I don't wear makeup,
Yeah.
I want my skin to look amazing.
Just give a bit of skin
almost ask the
confidence.
impossible.
Sorry, I asked too much.
This does everything that you asked for.
This is the answer to my dreams.
In one product.
Yeah.
So I have made this for my best mate, and now you can own it too. This is a world first for us.
You're going to thank me for this.
This is my very first product I've made, and I've put so much love into this. Honestly, so much love. So for the purpose of, so that you can see just how much this makes a difference to skin, we're going to take our makeup off, and then we're going to show you how we've created this look.
Bye, glow.
Bye, glowy skin. Right,
Right,
let's
going
go.
in.
Going in. Should we leave our mascara on and our brows
Yeah.
just for a bit of dignity?
Yeah, fair enough.
Okay.
Full face?
Yeah, take all the makeup off. Right. Bye, glow.
Oh, bye, lovely, perfected
Bye.
skin. Hello, strawberry.
Strawberry. Let's show you how we've made the glow. We have taken Cosmic Glow Radiance Booster, and we are applying it under our foundation. But you could also mix this with your facial moisture just for a no makeup glow.
Nice.
So we're going to put start with one pump in our hand.
Yeah.
And we're just going to apply this all over our face. Now, you'll notice this, this doesn't just give a glow. It is actually treating your skin as you're wearing it. Okay, so we've created this lovely glow. Now we're going to take our foundations, put a little bit onto our hands, and to really pep that glow up, we're going to add a touch of Cosmic Glow into our foundation. Just a little pump to mix together in your hands.
Oh, I like this idea.
And then apply. And what this is going to do, it's going to super boost your foundation at home so that your foundation works harder for you, because you want to get all that peptides in it working. You want to get all the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid. Plus, this is going to make your foundation look incredible.
This feels, when you put it on, it literally just slides onto your
know.
face. It feels amazing.
This makes if you're someone that has got a foundation and you're like, I don't know if it's great, mix this in with it. It will make it just, I can't even know the word.
Well, I'm going to tell you,
it,
you feel it on your skin.
Yeah.
You feel how amazingly soft your skin feels.
And also, if you're someone that's like, perhaps you spent a lot of money on your foundation and you don't want it to run out, mix in Cosmic Glow with it, and you don't need to use as much foundation. Because I have developed Cosmic Glow to have a really lovely tint to it, that it works on every skin tone, but it gives a very subtle lift. Can you see it on the back of my hands?
Yeah, it's like you've had a lovely day outside in the sun, and it's just natural glow.
That's my hand without it on, very flat. That's my hand with it on. Right, let's see yours, Katie.
Can you see?
Wow, that looks incredible.
Look how bouncy it looks.
Your cheekbone looks insane.
I haven't even got any blusher or anything on.
You?
No bronzer, nothing.
Oh my goodness. This.
Oh, that's good.
That is good, isn't it? Should we put the rest of our makeup on?
Yeah, let's see the full look.
Yes,
Let's
we
do
can
the
get the
full
full
look.
look. Right, exciting. Now, I'm going to show you a way you can make your favourite lip colour into the most incredible glowy blush, which further enhances your cheekbones when you use Cosmic Glow. So put lipstick on the back of your hand, your favourite shade, or the shade that you like to wear. Tiny pump of Cosmic Glow on the back. Mix the two together, and you're going to make a really beautiful glowy blush. And you're going to apply that to your cheeks. Can you see? I have instantly made glowy blush. Pop on your cheeks, and depending on how much intensity of blush you want, just add more lipstick to it.
Oh, that's easy, isn't it?
Isn't
as well?
it? I know.
Because you've got a lipstick and a blush all in one.
Yeah, and then if you really want to go glowy, put a little bit more on the back of your hand. Tap over the top. And that is just going to make cheekbones look next level. You see?
I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Oh, it's so good.
Especially on the eyes as well. So the other day I was wearing this and I came home and Crispian said to me, oh, what have you got on your eyes? And I was like,
What your husband noticed?
yeah. I said I've got
good.
Cosmic Glow. Because it just gives a really nice sheen to your eyelids, which just makes your eyes look pretty. And you can also put it to the Cupid's bow here. Look. Next level.
Let me see. How's that looking?
Really, oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Oh, I love
Really
it.
does.
Honestly.
Look, I mean, that's the kind of glow that you see like really famous people wearing, like on like red carpets, and you're like, who's their facialist?
Yeah. Well, how
who
do
does
they
their
look so
skin?
glow? Why does their skin look
Why
good?
does their skin look like that and mine doesn't?
They're cheating.
They're cheating. I've made the product. I've made it.
Honestly.